Hey y'all, I'm hungry. I don't feel like going out to the store and I have a taste for some pizza. So let's get into this homemade pizza. Okay, so on a cookie sheet and parchment paper, we're gonna use 2 flour tortillas. I am gonna drizzle a little olive oil and spread it on. I have my oven preheating to 400. This is the easiest pizza you'll ever make. All right, sauce of your choice, whether you want to make homemade, jarred, whatever. This is pizza sauce, Prego. Little smidget. And spread it around. Add a little more sauce. I don't like a lot of sauce, so yeah, you put out as much as you like. I'm gonna sprinkle some garlic powder. A little onion powder. I don't have mozzarella cheese, so I'm using what I have. Okay? I'm gonna cheese it up, and this is just the Mexican blend, but it still comes out really good. Okay, now I'm gonna top it with a little garlic powder. Italian seasoning. Shredded Parmesan cheese. Now the turkey pepperoni. Okay, and it should look like that. You place it in the 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. You want to watch it closely because you don't want your crust to burn, but you want your crust to become nice and crispy. Okay? And just that quick, you have a thin crust pepperoni cheese pizza. Let's slice this baby and get into it. So now for the taste test. Have a bite. Did y'all see my son just took a piece? This is some good pizza. Try it.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
This is really good. This is like a super thin crust pizza filled with cheese and seasoning and turkey pepperoni. Can't go wrong. Gotta try it. You must try it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Share it out. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. You all have a great day. And until next time,